Hi friends and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region for properties. And today friends, I'm showing you a one-bed apartment, almost penthouse for 143,500 located in one of the most beautiful urbanizations communities in La Mata, close to the beach. We are like 900 meters away from the La Mata beach. We have a beautiful, big, large pool. I think it's the biggest pool here in the area. We have a nice, beautiful green area with palm trees, flowers. You have probably the biggest green area in all of communities here. It's typically Spanish, looks beautiful. You have a nice big terrace here outside. And yeah, you have here a very quiet street. You can park outside, you have Macarona close by, different restaurants, bars, pharmacy, sushi. So the area is pretty nice. Okay, so we're going to see this apartment now from inside and you'll be amazed because, well, the terrace for one bed apartment is actually large. It's offering a lot of space and yeah, we are almost the top floor. We have only one apartment higher, and you have beautiful views again over the sea. You can see a little bit the sea. You can see the community which I was talking about. So actually a good area and a good community. Okay, the inside, yeah, it's done, renovated. We have living area with television, small kitchen, air conditioning installed, a small dining area, and here will be the main entry. On the left side here we have the bathroom, completely renovated, everything is done there, and the bedroom with window to the terrace, also decent size, it's not small. These kind of apartments, friends, for this kind of price, I mean 143,000 may sound a little bit high for that, but you can make an offer. You have a beautiful urbanization, it's good to rent out, and I bet you can earn here, if you negotiate the right price, 6 to 7% of yearly income, because many people are searching for properties in a beautiful community close to the sea. So if you want to know more about investing to rent out or renovating, well, or buying and renovating and rent out, our company is doing the full package. We are having 250 apartments we rent out. We're having your own laundry, 5 offices in total. We are here offering a lot of properties, more than 200 direct properties you will find on our website down below in the description. So if you want to see more offers like that, follow our channel. If you want to receive offers, down below you will find my WhatsApp number, and I will pass your number then to an agent who will be in touch with you to send you proper offers, meeting your requirements. Okay, have a nice day, subscribe to the channel, like this video, see you soon in sunny Spain.